Receiving a home from a loved one is often a deeply meaningful experience, a place filled with cherished memories and future possibilities. But after the initial emotions, one of the most practical questions that arises is about legal ownership. How exactly does that transition happen smoothly? Property deeds are absolutely crucial when it comes to inheriting a home title. They are the legal documents that formally record who owns a piece of real estate, outlining the chain of ownership and any specific conditions tied to that property. When you inherit a home, the type of deed and how it was held by the previous owner directly dictates the process you will need to follow to transfer the title into your name. The core reason deeds are so important lies in their function as the official proof of ownership. Different ways a property was titled before death, like joint tenancy with right of survivorship or tenancy in common, determine whether the property bypasses probate or must go through the legal court process. For example, a joint tenancy deed means the surviving owner automatically receives full ownership, often without probate. Conversely, if the property was held as a tenancy in common, the deceased owner's share typically must pass through their will or state intestacy laws, which means probate is usually required. Understanding these distinctions helps clarify the path forward for the title transfer. To navigate this, the first step is always to locate the original deed and any other relevant estate planning documents, such as a will or trust. Once you know how the property was titled, you can determine if the home needs to go through probate court or if the transfer can happen more directly. If a will exists, it will specify who inherits the home. If there is no will, state laws of intestacy will govern who receives the property, requiring a court to determine the rightful heirs. Consulting with an estate attorney is highly recommended to ensure all legal requirements are met for a proper title transfer, which often involves filing specific documents with the local county recorder's office. A key distinction that many people overlook is the difference between a general warranty deed and a quitclaim deed. A general warranty deed offers the most protection to the new owner, guaranteeing that the title is clear and free from any undisclosed claims or encumbrances dating back to the property's origin. On the other hand, a quitclaim deed simply transfers whatever ownership interest the grantor has at the time, without offering any guarantees about the title's history or potential defects. Understanding which type of deed you are dealing with can reveal a great deal about the historical clarity of the property's ownership and your future responsibilities. Ultimately, recognizing how the previous owner's deed affects your inherited home title empowers you to take the correct legal steps. By understanding the type of ownership, whether probate is necessary, and the specific protections or limitations of the deed, you can efficiently secure your legal claim, ensuring a smooth transition and protecting your family's legacy for generations to come.